In today's machining world, many entrepreneurs and machine shop owners face common challenges like increased material cost, increased tooling costs, and also shortage of skilled manpower. These issues are continuing to hit the productivity and also the bottom line of many machine shops across the country. I am Naveen Mahadevan, Director of Manav Marketing. Manav Marketing and Haas Automation have worked with a lot of machine shops across the country to develop multi-axis solutions like 4-axis, 5-axis solutions, automation solutions, where a particular part can be done in lesser number of setups, which reduces the manual intervention and also improves productivity and also contributes to increased tool life. Manav Marketing was founded in 1992 with the sole aim of providing world-class machining solutions to all the machine shops across the country. Over the 35 years of our journey in this manufacturing space, we have evolved as a machine tool solution provider, and proud to say we have close to 7,000 installations across the country with a strong 100-member team to support customers across the country. Manav Marketing would be participating in the HIMTEX exhibition, which is happening between the 20th to 24th in the HITEX Exhibition Center in Hyderabad. We'll be displaying 3-axis, 4-axis, 5-axis machining solutions along with double column VTLs, EDM, wire cut and metal additive printing solutions.